2010 Ford Fiesta 1.2 Zetec. It's in a decent colour, which is the Vision Blue Metallic. It's a 5-door and it's a 2-owner car, but the first owner had it was a company, then it was a private after that for the best part of the 10 years. It's got 2 keys and it's got just 22,000 miles from new, and it's genuine. This one is a category N from the insurance company, and it's had a bump around the back. As you can see, no damage at all around that side. Lovely and clean and straight. The same with the front and the bonnet, of course, and the top. It's also got a National Trust sticker on it, which is normally a good sign. Means the people that are driving it weren't kind of like going to race it around. That side is nice and clean as well. No damage, no dings, scratches and stuff. But it's had a squash on the back. As you can see, it is there. Now, you probably can't see much, but it is squashed. It's dented that there, down the side of that tailgate to there as well, kinked it. It's broke that rear light there. It's popped it off from its clips here. And it's squashed here underneath. Now the floor of the boot will be squashed as well, because what they do is they push in that bit there and it probably hits underneath the bumper bar and makes it a bit squashed where you put the spare wheel. So that'll have to be straightened. It'll never be perfect, but it'll be not seen, and it's not actually structurally part of the car. It's where you keep your spare wheel. Now this is going to be fixed, but as you can see over here, it's got a new tailgate in the same colour. There's your bumper bar there, which is actually your real bumper. The plastic cover is here, which is your plastic cover bumper. And these will be bolted on. The boot will be straightened out, and it will be pretty much exactly as it was before. The only difference, you'll have probably a couple of creases in where the boot liner is, where the spare wheel is kept. Now these with 22,000 mile typically go for around 4.5 to 5 grand at minimum. So this will probably be 3,995 when it's fixed, and it'll make a very decent car with that money.